In today's video, you'll learn how to manually remove Safe Finder from Chrome. Safe Finder is a browser hijacker that can change your homepage and default search engine, often installed through bundled software or hidden extensions. This guide focuses on removing it using Chrome's built-in settings without deleting bookmarks, passwords, or history. Start by checking for suspicious extensions. Type Chrome // in the address bar and press Enter. Look through the installed extensions and remove anything unfamiliar, anything labeled Safe Finder, or extensions with vague names. If you're unsure, toggle an extension off first to test whether behavior improves. If an extension says it's installed by policy and won't uninstall, you can continue. Later steps will help undo those changes. Next, fix the search engine settings. Go to Chrome // settings/search and choose a trusted default search engine like Google. Open the Manage Search Engine section and remove Safe Finder if it appears. This stops future searches from being redirected. Then, correct your homepage and start up settings. Visit Chrome // settings/on startup and remove any unwanted pages listed there. Choose either Open the New tab page or Set a site you trust. This prevents Safe Finder from loading at browser launch. To clean any remaining traces, perform a full settings reset. Go to Chrome // settings/reset and select Restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. This disables extensions, clears temporary data, and restores modified settings while keeping bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history intact. Afterward, close and reopen Chrome. Once Chrome restarts, run a quick verification. Perform a search in the address bar to confirm the correct search engine is active, and revisit the extensions page to make sure suspicious add-ons are gone or disabled. If you use Chrome Sync across devices, allow a little time for settings to update everywhere to prevent Safe Finder from returning.